Hello everybody from Farsoon Technologies here in our Austin, Texas office. My name is Don Xu, the Managing Director of Farsoon Americas. Farsoon is a machine maker for laser powder bed fusion technology for both plastics and metals. With over 400 machines installed all over the world, we are an established player in the additive manufacturing market. Today, I want to speak briefly about how Farsoon's laser powder bed technology can help accelerate the design to production cycle. In the manufacturing environment, the steps from product planning, design, prototyping, optimization, verification, and finally production can be time-consuming and expensive, especially for functional parts with complex geometry, large size requirements, or specialized materials, such as adapter pipes, fixtures, and housings. The iteration process for these key components are extremely time-sensitive, often determining the design to production time of product launches. Take, for example, this automotive HVAC component. The manufacturing of the molds and toolings for production of just a single prototype design can take up to months to complete. This requires a huge investment in time, labor, cost, and a full manufacturing supply chain. With the current challenges facing the economy and industrial supply chains, many companies have started to look at additive manufacturing to offer simplified workflow, improved efficiency, and lower development costs. For this part, compared to traditional methods like CNC and silicon molding, the customer, using Farsoon's HT1001P laser powder bed system, produced the part in under 10 hours by using only a single process, achieving up to 96% cost savings in this one part alone, with improved accuracy and mechanical properties that perform well during functional tests. By working closely with manufacturing partners from day one, Farsoon understands the pain points of manufacturing customers. Farsoon has developed an extensive line of plastic and metal 3D printers, which feature a variety of build volumes as well as processing capabilities, which are well suited for many industries and markets. Our truly open system with open parameters and high temperature capabilities allow optimal processing of a variety of engineering plastic materials and fabrication of functional parts. As a manufacturing tool, our additive solutions offer great cost-to-performance ratios. We look forward to hearing about your manufacturing challenges and how Farsoon can work together with you to accelerate your production cycle. Thank you very much.